So this comes in a really lovely, lovely case, which is always a good sign, isn't it? In it goes. Now, it's a beast, this is. 35mm, 0.95 Speedmaster. It weighs a ton. For what it is, it's super, super heavy. It's very, very sensitive. When I've been using this before, my God, is it sensitive. You've got to be so, so careful with it. I'm going to leave a link for something that I shot with this. It's a whole sort of series that we're doing called Axe and Rockwell. The first part of it, which I'll leave the link for, was completely made with just this on a Sony A7R2. But yeah, I love this. I love it. But you know, don't buy this if you want a kind of quick, easy fix, because this is sensitive, but I love it. Mwah.